So that long back that time there was not so much of internet availability, or you can't study the organization as in what exactly is your role. But yes, somewhere I understood that I'll be doing some engineering there, and that's why I opted for the organization. But the moment I joined, so Srijan was the organization where I joined that time, and I started working. Initially, also, it was more like an experiment which I wanted to do with myself because it was a non-profit organization. And coming from an engineering background where all your batchmates were joining corporates, there was TCS and other organizations that were coming for placements, and people were appearing and joining those organizations. So I said, uh, my degree is there still with me. I'll go and join for an year and see what I can do and what I can contribute. But I think that 1 year was a transformation where when I started working in the sector, and more than the engineering structure outputs, I think it was more of the work that I did with people, the social engagement I made with people, the relationships when I started building with people. So that was something which I was finding it more fulfilling. And from there, I think there was a change in aspiration or future goal, because when I realized for the first time in my life that this 1 or 2 years, the initial years of my career, are the most fulfilling part of my life, and this is what something I wanted to do. I want to do this. Is like a passion to me. I don't feel I'm doing a job, but this is something I'm finding it very interesting. And more in the development sector, it's more about the people with whom I'm working. So I was able to build relationships with the community, was actually able to empower them. And I think from there only some segment of HR also started growing inside me, where the leadership which I had also started recognizing that, yes, you're good in this, and why don't you plan this, and how that's how it moved towards HR as a more clear cut line. Some part of it was there in the sense, like, even when I was doing my engineering, the friend circle I have, the people I had, and the empathy thing that was there, like thinking more about the other person more than you, and what how we can institute the system where people can work collaboratively. So that was all. I also realized this while I was doing engineering. So more than the technical skills that I was learning, but yes, working with people, working with friends, working with your batchmates. So there also there's this realization that I enjoy working with people, I enjoy empowering people, and I can help in conflict resolution. So certain those traits were already there, but I have never realized that these are something important. I thought they're just part of process. This is like a personality I am into, and this is how it is to be. But over a period of time, when I started actually learning HR and the core concepts of HR through various exposures, I realized these were the things which I was actually demonstrating the time when I was studying in school and when I was doing engineering also.